A low intensity explosion took place near the Israeli embassy in the heart of Lutyens, Delhi on Friday evening. The Delhi police said the blast took place near the pavement and that the windscreens of three cars nearby have been damaged. No injuries have been reported so far. Shortly after the blast, the Central Industrial Security Force said an alert has been issued at all the airports, important installations, and government buildings in view of the blast and that enhanced security measures have been put in place. Security has also been increased at the office of the Consulate General of Israel in Mumbai. The Economic Survey 2020-2021 has predicted a V-shaped economic recovery for the nation spurred by COVID-19 vaccination program. India had started the world's largest coronavirus inoculation drive on January 16th with healthcare workers and frontline workers. The government is likely to miss its fiscal deficit target of 3.5% of gross domestic product this year, the survey said, adding that there is need for more sustained and celebrated and calibrated measures to facilitate the process of economic recovery in the new fiscal year. Johnson & Johnson on Friday said its single-dose vaccine was 72% effective in preventing COVID-19 in the United States, but a lower rate of 66% was observed globally in the large trial conducted across 3 continents and against multiple variants. In the trial of nearly 44,000 volunteers, the level of protection against moderate and severe COVID-19 was 66% in Latin America and just 57% in South Africa, where a particularly worrying variant of the novel coronavirus is circulating. A massive crowd gathered today for a farmers' Mahapanchayat or meeting called by Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Naresh Tiket in Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh, less than 150 kilometers from the Ghazipur border near Delhi, where Tiket's brother Rakesh is leading a protest against farm laws. Visuals taken from a drone camera showed crowds surging at a college ground where the meeting was held. The Mahapanchayat was called after a tense standoff last night when the UP administration tried to evict the protesting farmers from Ghazipur border. Nepal's Supreme Court has issued 2 contempt of court notices to caretaker Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, demanding he explain why he mocked lawyers challenging his decision to dissolve parliament and call early polls. The contempt of court suits are the latest challenges for the beleaguered leader after being expelled from his party earlier this week. The Supreme Court has ordered Oli to present his written replies within 7 days, Devendra Dhakal, a Supreme Court official, told Reuters. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.